You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. The spelling makes it a little bit confusing, but it's easy once you know. Marquee. Alright, so you're going to have the British English pronunciation, marquee with a silent R, and the American English pronunciation in the US, marquee. It's similar. It comes from French marquee. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, here are more videos for you, but remember this one, marquee. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.